Okay, we want to explore the Microsoft Word window. On the window we have the title bar. It displays the name of the document. Then we have the Office button. You click on it, it brings down a drop down menu. There's a screen tip. And then we have the ribbon. This is the ribbon, the home ribbon. It is the default ribbon in Microsoft Word. We have the quick access toolbar. Contains 3 major default buttons. We can add commands to them if we please. Then we have the scroll bar used for moving the work area up and down, or we can click on the buttons at each end to move the work area. Good. Now also in our document we have the tabs. Tabs contain commands that are grouped together. Similar commands are grouped together in each tab. We have the Insert tab, Page Layout, Reference tab, the Mailing tab, Review tab, and the View tab. Those are 7 major tabs in Microsoft Word Office 2007. Each tab contains various commands in groups. Then we have here, we can add ruler to our document. We click on the View tab and we check the box ruler. It adds the vertical and the horizontal ruler. We can use them for measurements where it applies to a document. And then we have here the zoom commands used for zooming our document, how it is viewed on the screen. And then we also have the view buttons, a shortcut sort of.